In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Intuit Credit Karma account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. You can sign in directly from the Credit Karma login page, or you can use the Intuit account sign-in page instead. Both options work the same way because Credit Karma uses your Intuit account credentials for access. So if you already have an Intuit account connected to Credit Karma, you'll use that same login information here. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your login information carefully. You may be able to sign in using your email address, your phone number if it's linked to your account, or your Intuit user ID. After that, type in your password and click the login button. As a quick tip, make sure there are no typing errors, especially if your password is case sensitive or if your browser autofills old information. If your login details don't work right away, double check which email, phone number, or user ID is actually connected to your Intuit account. After submitting your login details, you may be asked to complete a security verification step. This is a normal part of the sign-in process and is designed to help protect your account from unauthorized access. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email address, your mobile phone, or your authenticator method if you have that enabled. Be sure to use the most recent code sent, since these codes often expire after a short time. If you don't see the code right away, give it a moment and check the correct device or inbox before trying again. Once verification is complete, you should be successfully signed in and taken to your dashboard. From there, you'll be able to access your credit scores, review your credit reports, check any credit monitoring alerts, and explore financial recommendations and tools offered through Credit Karma. This dashboard is the main area where you can monitor your account activity and review the information available to you. And that's all it takes to log in to your Intuit Credit Karma account. Start by visiting the Credit Karma website or the Intuit sign-in page, enter your account credentials, complete any required security verification, and then access your